So geothermal heat pumps use the ground or even possibly a body of water to transfer heat. And remember, with other AC systems, we talk a lot about transferring heat. So the secret to the geothermal system is this, really. Once you get down a few feet beneath the surface, the temperature is pretty consistent, around 50 to 60 degrees, and that is year round. So as you can see in this diagram on the right, in cooling mode, we can now transfer heat from the home to the ground. And in heating mode, we do the opposite. We gain heat from the ground and bring it into the structure. We're going to talk more about exactly how that works here in just the next coming slides. The traditional method of installation is in a horizontal fashion as pictured here. But as you can guess, this takes a substantial amount of open land to do this. These ground loops are normally using flexible piping, possibly polyethylene as pictured here. And here's a great photo of that installation process of digging all those trenches and installing the piping in multiple loops, again, 5 to 6 feet underground. If the space is limited, the loops can be installed vertically, meaning going straight down, and they could go down 200 to 400 feet or more. This method is for smaller lots, for example, in urban areas or tight neighborhoods, and as seen in this method is gaining popularity with these new drilling techniques being perfected all the time. Then there's a less common method, and that is using a body of water like a pond or a lake. This often requires special permitting and may not be legal in all areas, and has other ramifications as well and things you got to consider. And don't forget, there's actually a fourth option, and that's what we call an open loop, which, if you think about it, is not really a loop at all. This method pulls water from a body of water or maybe even a well, and then it uses it and then returns it back somewhere else, either back to a different well or back to another part of the body of water. So pretty unique, not as common. Again, that may require special permitting as well and have other ramifications.